Hi everyone, thank you for watching Dream Spree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. Chappy's at home and he will have a cameo at the end of the video. I'm going to take you through a 10-minute yoga reset. This is great for a morning practice, afternoon practice, anytime you just need to regroup, reset, and gather yourself for the rest of your day. If you're a returning yogi, it's great to see you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. I put out new videos every week, and it's an easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. So let's go ahead, get into your comfortable seat. You can close your eyes. Let's get settled in. Just begin to focus in on your breathing. See if you can even out the quality of your inhales and exhales. Notice the state of your emotions today. How are you feeling? Just observe them without judgment. If you'd like to set an intention for your practice today, something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, now's a good time. On your next inhale, go ahead and open your eyes. Let's bring the arms out to the side. Inhale up tall in a T. Exhale, bring the right hand over to the left knee. Bring the other hand behind the back. Gaze over the left shoulder behind you. On an inhale, come back to center and exhale over to the right side, placing the left hand on the right knee, gazing over the right shoulder behind you. Inhale back to center, exhale. Inhale the arms up overhead, gathering energy, and clasp the hands together in pistol fingers, pointing up at the sky. Inhale up tall, exhale over to the left. Inhale back to center, exhale to the right. Inhale center, exhale. Just keep flowing like this. Inhale, exhale. Let's have one more round. And meet back to center. Bring the arms down to the sides. Now bring the hands in front of you. Clasp them. Press them forward. Inhale and exhale. Curl forward, bowing the back. Inhale up, reach behind you. Exhale, opening up the chest. Inhale, clasp the hands in front. Exhale. Inhale, clasp the hands behind, pressing the chest out. Exhale. Now bring the arms out to the side, shake them out, float them back down to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and come up to the side of your mat. Just bend your knees. Come to a seat. Bring the hands behind you, kind of like you're sunbathing. Now extend the left leg forward a little. Pick up the right foot. Prop it over the left knee in a tripod position and try to bring the left foot up a little. Get a nice stretch in the side of that right leg. If that's enough for you, just leave it there. You can always try to crawl in a little more with your hands. Make the stretch more intense. If you were good down here, leave it there. Wherever you are, just breathe. Breathe space into that hip. On an exhale, just drag the foot out in front, come out of that position. And now we're going to change legs. So take the left foot, flex it, prop it over the right knee. You can scoot the leg in, maybe walk in a little more. Wherever the best stretch is for you, stop there. And just breathe. And let's walk the left foot out a little bit more. Come out of the posture. Let's leave the knees bent. Wrap the right arm around. Reach behind with the left arm. Twist. Gazing behind you. Inhale back to center. Wrap the left arm around. Reach behind with the right arm. Twist. Come back to center. With control, roll all the way down to the mat. Pick up your legs. Grab the sides of the legs or the sides of the feet for happy baby. And you can just stay here, or you can roll back and forth, getting a good massage on the back. Release the feet or the sides of the legs. Bring the knees in. Reach up. Give yourself a big hug. You did amazing today coming to the mat. And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Let it all go. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, open your mouth, sigh it out. Let it go. Feel the tension sinking into the ground beneath you. Feel how you are worthy of relaxation. And on your next inhale, let's begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Maybe tilt the head from side to side. Reach out long for a big stretch. And roll over into the fetal position. Pause here for a moment. And then, when you're ready, just press yourself back up into a comfortable seat. Bring the hands down to the knees. Float your eyes shut one more time. Do one more scan of your body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. Thank you for coming to the mat today, taking some time to do something good for you. May you bring the peace of your practice into the remainder of your day. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer. And open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking a little time to do some yoga with me. If you enjoyed this video, if you have an idea for a video, let me know. Drop me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. May you be happy and peaceful. I'll see you guys next time.